Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. I'm going to answer the question, when are onions ready to harvest? If you like short videos that get to the point, please check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. I have over 1,500 short gardening videos that really get to answering the question. These are my onions. They have been growing for about 90 days. You know that the onions are ready to harvest when the onion leaves fall to 90 degrees. Right in here between the bulb and the leaves gets really soft, and you can see how all of these have pretty much flopped over. After they fall, somewhere between 5-8 days, you're going to want to harvest them and dry them and cure them. That's if you're going to store the onions. One tip is, of course, you can harvest onions at any point in growth and use them as you wish. But for full-size bulbs, this is the pattern that you're looking for. So they're going to flop over to 90 degrees, let them stay here about a week, and then you harvest them. And you're just going to pull them out gently, and you're going to take, and I actually leave them, and I harvest on a day when it's not going to rain for a day or two, and I just let them sit on the surface for a day or two, and then I store them. And I usually store them inverted like this, or laying flat in some sort of crate, plenty of space around it, in a shady area outdoors. And you just want the outer layer to really dry out and toughen up. The greenery will all dry out. You cut that off after it dries. The onion will actually take nutrients out of the leaves. So when it's dry, usually in about 2 to 3 weeks, cut off the roots and cut off the leaves, and then you have an onion that you can store. Let me show you what an onion looks like as it's growing to give you an idea of what you're looking for growth, and then you're looking for everything to really just soften up right in here and flop over. These are my bunching onions, so they're not going to bulb up like we just saw. However, they give you a good idea of what the leaves look like or what the growth look like. So if your onions are doing well, they're definitely going to get 8 inches tall or taller. They're going to be erect, green. These are getting a little beat up because they need to be watered. And these are onions that aren't ready to be harvested yet. Let's just say the bulbs were down there. Harvested yet to be dried for storing, but you could use them at any point. So your onions are going to go through a cycle of growing. They're going to look like this, and then they're going to soften up right here, flop over to 90 degrees. In about a week or so, that's when you want to harvest them. Let whatever flops over start to yellow a little bit, and then you dry them, like I said. Let's go back to those onions. These are candy variety onions. They grow really well here in Maryland Zone 7. I plant my onions much more closely together. They tend to be a little bit smaller. That's okay. I don't really store mine for a long period. I use them pretty quickly. This group I was supposed to pull out every other onion, just didn't get to it, and that would have given them more space to grow larger. But you're going to look for your leaves to flop over 90 degrees, let this start to dry out, yellow a little bit. Within about 7 days, pull them, and then you just set these out to dry. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and check out my YouTube. Well, you're already checking out my YouTube channel. Please check out my seed and garden shop at therustedgarden.com. Thanks for watching.